Hi guys, namaste. So, welcome back to another video with me, Payoja. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure to subscribe to the channel for a lot of videos that I'm going to come up with. Now, today is a very low day for me, and this video is also going to be very different from the ones that I focus on, the topics that I focus on, but it gave me a very different perspective to life. And I thought that, it's very important if I share it with you guys. So, okay, it's very difficult for me to even say it. So, one of my friend, she has been a great friend since school. She got married in December, and in just a month, she lost her husband. So it was a love marriage for her, and she was just married for a month. She and her boyfriend, it was a intercaste marriage in the Indian society. So we can all understand the troubles that they must have gone through. Uh, for convincing their parents and making sure that everyone is involved, and the marriage takes place. It was a very difficult thing for both of them to get married. They fought through and they made sure that everyone was there. And just when everything had worked out for her, it hadn't. And she lost her husband in a road accident. And since the time, really controlling myself here, I don't want to cry. This gave me a lot of perspective that we should value the people we have in our lives. We should cherish every minute as if they're last. I wanted to leave my job. I had been procrastinating to leave my job for I don't know for how long. And then finally I could bundle up the courage to do it one day. If there's anything in your life, you have a job that you want to leave, there's a educational course that you want to join, there's some extracurriculars you want to do, there's some girl or some guy you want to confess your feelings to, you have your parents that you have had a rough relationship with, whatever that you feel like you need to do in life, do it now, because you don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. When I think about my friend, I am deeply saddened. I am deeply saddened beyond words. So it is my genuine request to all of you who are watching this, everything that you have wanted to do one day, make sure that that one day is today. Do not put things off for tomorrow. If you want to give an exam, do it today. Book the test today. If you want to make a career change, do it today. If you're planning on going on a date, do it today. If you want to apologize to someone, do it today. Life is too short to have regrets of not doing things. It is better to do things and then see how it works out, rather than just procrastinating and having regrets. Okay, maybe I would have done that, maybe I could have done that, maybe this would have happened, maybe that could have happened. And this is just it for today's video. I know my energy and everything is very low in this video, but this is a very important thing that I wanted to share with every one of you. Since I'm sharing my life stories with you, this is also a story that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you have a great time, and I hope that your one day is today, and if not today, it is at least tomorrow. With that, take care, all of you. Bye bye.